With some popular sing-along songs, everyone seems to be on a consensus about what key to play the song in. And then there's others that it seems like every arrangement you find is in a different key. And John B. Sayles is one of those. So we're just going to go ahead and play with it in D and G and F and see which ones we think we like best. It's always a matter of what sounds best on your ukulele and with your voice. Let's start with the Rise Up Singing version, which is in the key of D. So this. We sailed on the sloop John B, my grandfather and me, round Nassau Channel we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight. Life feels so break up, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sails, see how the mainsail sets. Tell for the captain ashore, wanna go home. Let me go home, please let me go home. Life feels so break up, I wanna go home. Okay, let's try the daily ukulele version, which is in the key of F. Oh, we come on the sloop John B, my grandfather and me, round Nassau Town we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight. Life feels so break up, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sails, see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. Let me go home, let me go home. I feel so break up, I wanna go home. Very different from the Rise Up Singing. I think I actually prefer the Rise Up Singing, and usually I go the other way and prefer the daily ukulele. But let's go ahead and give it a try in one more key. Okay, let's go ahead and try the version from the Eastside Ukulele Players Association, which is in G. We come on the sloop John B, my grandfather and me, round Nassau Channel we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight. Life feels so break up, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sails, see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. Let me go home, I wanna go home. Yeah, yeah, I feel so break up, I wanna go home. Okay, so these three versions, not only are they in different keys, they also play around with where they add in note variations and where they hold the same chord for a long time. I don't know that I have a favorite, but what we're going to go ahead and do the playthrough on is this ESUPA version in the key of G, because I have a recording of that from our ESUPA song circle the other day.